Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rogue Legacy 2. We will start by understanding the fundamental gameplay loop. You will die often, but each death brings new opportunities to grow stronger. After each run, you select a new heir, each with unique traits and a distinct class. This constant evolution keeps the game fresh and engaging, encouraging you to adapt your strategy with every attempt. Progression in Rogue Legacy 2 is deeply tied to your manor and heirlooms. Spend your hard-earned gold at the manor to unlock permanent upgrades, like increased health or damage and new vendors. Finding heirlooms grants your heirs powerful, lasting abilities, such as the ability to dash or double jump. You can also unlock and enhance new classes, each offering a completely different way to approach the castle's challenges. Combat in Rogue Legacy 2 requires precision and quick reflexes. Master your dash to evade attacks and position yourself strategically. Pay close attention to enemy tells to parry incoming blows, stunning foes for a brief moment. As you explore, seek out relics for temporary, powerful buffs, but be mindful of curses, which offer benefits with a drawback. Thorough exploration often reveals hidden passages and valuable treasure chests. To truly excel, experiment with diverse class and trait combinations. Some pairings create incredibly powerful synergies. When facing the game's formidable bosses, identify their specific weaknesses to maximize your damage output and shorten the fight. Don't shy away from completing the challenging prime boss encounters, as they offer substantial rewards. Ultimately, your goal is to overcome all obstacles and conquer the entire castle, proving your legacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.